Now let's give question number 6 a go. This one gives you the word Mississippi. So let me write that up here, make sure I spell it right. There we go. Mississippi. Okay. Now, it asks how many different ways, how many distinct ways can the letters of this word be arranged? Well, let's count up how many letters there are first of all. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so there's going to be an 11 factorial in there because we're arranging 11 things. However, be careful. Say I have these two right here, these p's. Well, if I count these as different, right, this is the 9th one, this is the 10th one, well, if I switch them around, what do I get? The exact same thing, right? If I switch those p's, you're not going to be able to tell the difference. It's still going to spell Mississippi. And the question specifically said distinct ways. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to divide out where we counted these p's as different, because they're not. They're the same letters. So what you got to do is you got to go, all right, well, as I just said, there's 2 p's, so we're going to divide by how many ways I can arrange 2 things. 2 factorial, which is just 2. So divide that out. We've dealt with those. How many i's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ways can I arrange 4 things? Well, that's 4 factorial. So we're dividing out all the i's, or all the arrangements of the i's. All right, let's keep going. Let's see, how many s's? 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So we got to divide out the 4 factorial for all the multiple counts of the s. And if we look, it looks like that's all. We've got the 4 i's and the 4 s's and the 2 p's. That's it. So from here, you can put this in the calculator, but be very careful. You're going to want to use parentheses for this. But I turn my calculator on, of course. Open parentheses. I'll put in 11. Hit Math. It's below the green button. Go over to the PRB menu, and you're going to want to pick number 4, the factorial. So I'll go down and choose that. Close parentheses. Divide. Open parentheses. You're going to put in 2, because we're dividing out all the ways I can arrange p. Hit the Math button, go into the probability menu, and pick the factorial option. Right there. Times, so hit the times button, put in 4, hit the Math button again, go to the probability menu, pick factorial once more. So at this point we've got 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 4 factorial. One more time. Times 4. Math button, probability menu, number 4 for factorial, and now you can close the parentheses. And if you hit enter, you should get 34,650. Dividing out all the double counts, there's still that many ways to arrange these letters. And that is question 6.